Watch this video to discover how to create question banks seamlessly within Zoho Learn. To get started, click the plus icon within the Learning section. Then select the Question Bank option. Give your question bank a clear name and a brief description. Then click Create to begin. Next, click the Add Topic button. This crucial step helps you categorize and organize questions of the same kind or subject, making your bank easy to navigate. Now, click the Add Question button. Here, you'll see various question types available. Choose a type, like single choice for example, and then enter the details for your question. You also have the flexibility to customize individual question settings. Toggle the question settings to assign a score or set a timer for each question. You can even provide custom feedback to learners for individual questions. Continue to choose question types and toggle settings for all your remaining questions within that topic. Once you're finished with a specific topic, simply click the Close button at the top of the screen. Remember, you can add multiple topics, each with an endless number of questions, all within a single question bank. Your question bank is now complete and ready to use. If you wish to collaborate, you can easily share your question bank with other users or your entire hub using the Share button at the top of the screen. You can also access and adjust the overall settings for your question bank right here. By creating a rich pool of questions, you'll save valuable time and effort, effortlessly reusing them in all the courses that need them. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.